Good morning to everybody. Naimbag nga agsapa kada kayo amin. There is now circulating a news item which casts doubt on how we at the Public Attorney's Office do our work and perform our duties. It is claimed that the PAO lawyers are not performing despite their high salary. PAO lawyers in urban and thickly populated areas are expectedly having higher number of cases, but despite the volume, they manage their time and provide the needed service to their clients. In rural and sparsely populated areas, the lesser number of cases handled does not mean that the PAO lawyer does not do anything else. The nature of work of a public attorney is, to say the least, multifunctional. While the main role is to appear as a counsel in the cases of clients in courts and other quasi-judicial bodies, there are other tasks that a public attorney is mandated to perform, like the giving of advice, either in person, through phone, or other forms of media, preparing of documents and the administering of oath, mediating opposing parties, conducting jail visitations, and giving information dissemination. They also personally visit clients who have difficulty in coming to the office. And all PAO lawyers do all of this whether they are assigned in the city or in the province. There are many of us PAO lawyers who decide to stay with the office and retire from the office, continuing to provide these services. There are those, however, who transfer to other agencies, like the National Prosecutor's Office and the Judiciary. Their appointment to this office are testament to how they have been performing well while they were with the PAO. I wish to assure that clients are attended to regardless of whether they are walk-in or they have with them referral or endorsement letters secured either from the central office or other district offices or issued by another agency. They are treated alike. So I wish to ask an intending client not to bother anymore going to any other office or personality for that matter just to get an endorsement. You can directly go to the PAO lawyer or district office and you will be duly attended to. Even before a criminal case is filed in court or even with the prosecutor's office, a public attorney already provides legal assistance to a suspect during custodial interrogation at the police station, or the respondent in an inquest investigation before the prosecutor's office. They could be assisted by the PAO. Yet the news item claims that the inquest prosecutor files the case in court because the PAO lawyer is absent during the inquest proceeding. Unless the PAO lawyer is himself personally involved in the case, either as the victim complainant or suspect respondent, the PAO lawyer as the inquest attorney is not automatically present at the time that the case is brought to the prosecutor for the inquest, precisely because the PAO lawyer is in his own office. But when called by the prosecutor, the PAO lawyer will respond for the needed assistance. The PAO prepares in advance a monthly schedule of inquest lawyers and staff with their corresponding contact numbers, which they furnish the prosecutor's office as well as the enforcement agencies in their respective areas. The PAO lawyer is duty-bound to attend, and the PAO lawyer goes whether it is during office hours, after office hours, on weekends, or even holidays. It is not therefore correct to say that the PAO lawyer is absent during inquest proceeding, and for that reason the prosecutor makes his resolution and files the case against the indigent respondent. And since attending inquest investigations is a duty of the PAO lawyer, it is therefore included in the reports regularly submitted to the office. It is open for scrutiny by anybody. If there be any office to complain about the non-appearance of the PAO lawyer during inquest proceedings despite being called, it is the prosecutor's office itself, or even the arresting officers. Thus far, there is no such complaint filed against any PAO lawyer. Indeed, PAO lawyers dedicatedly attend to their inquest duties. Hopefully, we have clarified those issues. PAO lawyers perform their work despite the heavy load and regardless of their place of assignment, and they do attend to their inquest duties. And in all this, we give our service with a smile. I am Honorio Sagsago, Regional Director of PAO Region 1. We stand with PAO.